Yeah. Okay, guys, let's do this. Everybody, all of you, open your ears. Bring your earbuds so you can listen to me. You will then see what I have to offer. We can have lovely picnics by the sea. Waka waka waka.
Waka waka waka!
That's about all I have to say.
You suck, Palmer. Thank you, Corey, for that brief proposal. And finally, Fearful McFerrin.
All right, girls, you saw what I did. Just follow along with what I do and back me up.
What do you mean?
You'll see. Mike's not the only one that can rock this establishment. Fellow seniors, if you vote for me, you'll buy new computers, new fridges, and state-of-the-art software. We are entering the information age, my friends, and we must keep up with it. I am about to introduce you to the future. The future.
Secure. What the heck is that?
This, my good man, is called a CD.
What?
A CD, a compact disc. This is the way we're going to revolutionize the basic uses we know.
No way. How?
Well, CDs are going to replace cassette tapes and records, which will become completely obsolete.
What about my Milli Vanilli tapes?
You'll be able to buy them on CD.
Girl, this idea is never going to take off. Stop wasting our time.
You may not, but I'm telling you, CDs are going to replace cassette tapes the exact same way microwaves replace conventional ovens. You'll see, if you don't keep up with technology, we'll become as obsolete as a humble wireless.
High-energy combo virus pack 52. Lying awake and between on you. If I was young, you did stop you coming through. They took the credit for your second symphony. Reversed by machine and new technology. And now you understand the problems I see. I had your children. What did you tell them? And now we meet in a abandoned studio. We hear the playback and sing so long ago. You may remember the jingles used to go. We were the first one. We were the last one. Came on my mind and came on my car. We can't really run, we go too far.
so that was that. Michael became president by stealing my idea. I never told Tiffany what happened. She would never believe me anyway. After election day, I found solace in freaking out.
I don't know if it was the election